We are discussing chapter number 2, Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. Microorganisms are very important. They are a friend also, but sometimes they are foe also. That means they are not very friendly. This is fill in the blank question answers. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue algae, green algae fix what? Nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Cholera is caused by bacteria. So, alcohol, let us see the formal answers. The microorganisms can be seen with the help of microscope. Blue, green algae fix nitrogen. Alcohol is produced with the help of microorganism. This is a generic answer, and cholera is caused by bacteria. Tick the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. The following is an antibiotic, streptomycin, and carrier of malaria causing protozoa is female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of communicable disease or disease is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of growth of yeast cell. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. So these are the answers. Match the organism in column 1 with their action in column 2. So bacteria, rhizobium. Let us see one by one. Bacteria is causing the cholera. Rhizobium is fixing the nitrogen. Lactobacillus is setting off curd. Then yeast is baking of bread. Protozoa is causing malaria. And virus is causing AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, HIV. Can microorganisms be seen with naked eyes? If not, how can they be seen? Microorganisms cannot be seen by naked eyes. We need to use microscope for that, because when they are very small, they are called as microbes. What are the major groups of microorganisms? They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Bacteria like the rhizobium and certain blue-green algae present in the soil, they can fix atmospheric nitrogen and they can convert into usable nitrogen compounds, which can be used by plants for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. See, microorganisms are very small. You cannot see it by naked eyes, but they are very vital as far as our living is concerned. The plants, environment, everywhere, they are very important. They are used in wine making, baking, pickling. Alcoholic fermentation by yeast is widely used in the preparation of wine and bread. The bacterium Lactobacillus, this promotes the formation of curd, which is very good for the stomach. Microbes are used to reduce the pollution. They are used to increase the soil fertility by fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. Microbes are also useful in preparing many medicines and, of course, antibiotics. Certain microbes are also used in the biological treatment of sewage and industrial effluents. Write short paragraph on the harms, foe, caused by microorganisms. They are harmful in some way because the microorganism can cause human beings, plant and animal diseases, and these disease causing microorganisms, they are generally called as pathogens. Some microorganisms, they spoil food, clothing and leather, and there are various common diseases like the cholera, common cold, chickenpox, tuberculosis. All are by these microorganisms. Not only to humans, but for animals also, for plants also, some microorganisms are very dangerous. What are antibiotics? What precaution must be taken while taking antibiotics? Antibiotics, as the name suggests, antibiotics. So if there are microorganisms that are causing some damage or disease, So the medication or medicine that kill or stop the growth of this disease, that is killing the growth of the microorganism, they are called as antibiotics. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, like this. So these are the precautions that must be taken when you are taking antibiotics. They must be taken under the guidance of qualified doctor, and you should complete the course. And just you have, say, sore throat, it's beginning, and you think that, oh, it's going to be wasting my 5 days, so you start taking antibiotics. Don't do that. Always wait for some time, because antibiotics are by themselves, they have microorganisms. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much, and take care of yourself.